mLIMS standard mating tutorial, generated by Susan from BioInfoRx. mLIMS mating tool can help you generate mating. Click on Setup Mating. Fill in the main information. From here you can search dam and select the dam. Then you can search sire and select sire. Follow the steps, you can set up a mating. You can also start from animals. Click on Review Animals. You can select 2 dams and 1 sire to generate a normal mating. Click on Mating. Select New Cage. Fill in cage information. Choose Standard Mating. Give a name. Select date. Fill in other information if you know. Here I would like to add strain info. Provide strain info. Then create the mating. You can click the button below to review the mating.